We are in the second video of the introduction to Elliott Wave series, and we just seen in the last video about impulse and corrective and the cycle and the repeating unit. Now, this video or this video series we are making for a very new person who probably haven't heard of Elliott waves or have just heard they don't know what this thing all about, and there is curiosity around it. And also towards the end of this video series, we'll also I'll probably give my personal opinion why I shifted from a technical analysis concept to an Elliott wave concept again towards the end of it. Now we'll pick up from where we left off. We saw that there is impulse and there is a corrective, and then it is cycle, and it is made of people participation and a lot of emotions that they bring in. Now this impulse and corrective is also made of waves, right? So which are 1 2 3 and 4, 3 4 and 5 for impulse, and then there is corrective which is 1 2 3 4 and 5. These waves are also made of waves. So we are talking about waves within a wave, right? So I'll just quickly uh, let's call it a wave, and I'll change the color. Let's make it green, right? So these waves are also made of different subwaves, or we call it uh, the waves within the waves. There's a name to it. We'll come to it a little later. So these are the waves. Even within this impulse wave, we'll have five waves in wave one. So wave one will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave three will also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And similarly, wave five will also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The waves 2 and 4 in this impulse are actually corrections. Don't get confused. Just hold on for a minute. Hear me out. Again, we'll put a wave here. Let's change this color to brown maybe. Okay. So what we are saying is, even in this impulse itself, there's a repeating unit of this impulse and a corrective. So wave 1 is an impulse, wave 2 is a corrective. Similarly, wave 3 is an impulse, wave 4 is a corrective, right? So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is actually an alternate of impulse and corrective and impulse and corrective and impulse. Now this is on the one side. The second side, when we look at A, B, C, we will also have something again made of waves internally. Now here, A is an impulse, and we also have C as an impulse. For now, let's only look at impulse or a corrective, like a basic classification between the two, or basic difference between the two is impulse is five waves, corrective is three waves. So even within this entire corrective, we have impulse, corrective, and again an impulse. This is a representation again, or broken it down into say waves within the waves. This is how it will look like, and will have very specific characteristics for impulse, which has 1 2 3 4 5. Even in this 1 2 3 4 5, we have one wave 1 has 1 2 3 4 5, wave 3 has 1 2 3 4 5, and wave 5 have 1 2 3 4 5, right? So this entire discussion then will split into two. I think I've already had a name here. So we'll understand impulse separately, then we'll understand corrective separately. So in this particular video, we are looking at the complexity or a wave within a wave, wave within a wave kind of a structure. From the next video onwards, we'll break impulse separately. Let's look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ka 1 separately, 3 separately, and 5 separately. And then we'll look at ABC slightly separately. Okay, so let's begin. Now I'll remove it for a while. I mean, this is the exact representation of this entire Elliott wave and the waves within the waves. Again, you guessed it right. If I go down one more level, I will have five waves here. I'll just change this to some other color. You guessed it right. So even in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, of 1 of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever combination you will see, you will always have a wave within a wave, right? So this, let's call it out here. So this Roman series is a bigger series compared to this number series, compared to this number series, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how the wave within a wave structure works. Now let's look at impulse separately. I'll remove it all this in for a while, right?